Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss capital, currency, president, and prime minister as part of general awareness. There is a small note. Give very important to blue colored words and next important to red colored words as these countries president and prime minister were reappointed or re-elected or there is a news of these countries because of their political crisis. So let us start. What is the capital of Myanmar? And the answer is Naypyidaw. And the currency is CAT. And the president is Mint Swe. Next. What is the capital of Mauritius? And the answer is Port Louis. And the currency is Mauritian rupee. And the prime minister is Pravind Jugannath. And the president is Prithviraj Singh Rupon. What is the capital of Nicaragua? And the answer is Managua. And the currency is Cordoba. And the president is Daniel Ortega. What is the capital of Maldives? And the answer is Male. And the currency is Maldian Rufiya. And the president is Ibrahim Mohammed Soleh. What is the capital of Turkmenistan? And the answer is Ashgabat. And the currency is Mannat. And the president is Gurbanguly Berdimuhamed Medov. What is the capital of Kenya? And the answer is Nairobi. And the currency is Kenyan shilling. And the president is Uhuru Kenyatta. What is the capital of Tajikistan? And the capital is Dushanbe. And the currency is Somoni. And the president is Imomali Rahman. What is the capital of Afghanistan? And the answer is Kabul. And the currency is Afghani. And the president is Ashraf Ghani. What is the capital of Bangladesh? And the answer is Dhaka. And the currency is Taka. And the PM is Sheikh Hasina. And the president is Abdul Hamid. What is the capital of Bhutan? And the answer is Thimphu. And the currency is Ngultram. And the prime minister is Lotte Tshering. What is the capital of Iran? And the answer is Tehran. And the currency is Rial. And the president is Hassan Rouhani. What is the capital of Kazakhstan? And the answer is Nur Sultan. And the currency is Tenge. And the president is Kasyam Jomart Tokayev. What is the capital of Nepal? And the answer is Kathmandu. And the currency is Rupee. And the prime minister is KP Sharma Oli. President is Bindya Devi Bhandari. Please recheck before going to exam related to Nepal. What is the capital of Israel? And the answer is Jerusalem. And the currency is shekel. And the prime minister is Benjamin Netanyahu. And the president is Reuven Rivlin. What is the capital of Japan? The answer is Tokyo. And the currency is yen. And the prime minister is Yoshihide Suga. What is the capital of Malaysia? And the answer is Kuala Lumpur. And the currency is ringgit. And the prime minister is Muhyiddin Yassin. What is the capital of Thailand? And the answer is Bangkok. And the currency is baht. And the king is Maha Vajiralongkorn. What is the capital of Zambia? And the answer is Lusaka. And the currency is Kacha. And the president is Edgar Lungu. What is the capital of Finland? And the answer is Helsinki. And the currency is euro. And the prime minister is Sanna Marin. And the president is Sauli Niinisto. What is the capital of Uzbekistan? And the answer is Tashkent. And the currency is Som. And the president is Shavkat Mirziyoyev. What is the capital of Switzerland? And the answer is Bern. And the currency is Swiss franc. And the president is Guy Parmelin. What is the capital of Austria? The answer is Vienna. And the currency is euro. And the president is Alexander van der Bellen. What is the capital of Philippines? The answer is Manila. And the currency is peso. And the president is Rodrigo Duterte. What is the capital of Qatar? The answer is Doha. The currency is Riyal. And the Prime Minister is Khalid bin Khalifa. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? The answer is Riyadh. The currency is Riyal. And the king is Salman of Saudi Arabia. What is the capital of Serbia? The answer is Belgrade. The currency is dinar. And the president is Alexander Vucic. What is the capital of Brazil? The answer is Brasilia. The currency is real. And the president is Jair Bolsonaro. What is the capital of Cambodia? The answer is Phnom Penh. Currency is real. And the prime minister is Hun Sen. And the king is Norodom Sihamoni. What is the capital of Denmark? The answer is Copenhagen. And the currency is Danish krone. And the prime minister is Mette Frederiksen. What is the capital of Sierra Leone? The answer is Freetown. And the currency is Sierra Leonean Lino. And the president is Julius Maada Bio. What is the capital of Australia? The answer is Canberra. And the currency is Australian dollar. And the prime minister is Scott Morrison. What is the capital of Italy? The answer is Rome. The currency is euro. And the prime minister is Mario Draghi. And the president is Sergio Mattarella. What is the capital of North Korea? And the answer is Pyongyang. And the currency is won. The supreme leader is Kim Jong-un. What is the capital of South Korea? The answer is Seoul. And the currency is won. And the president is Moon Jae-in. What is the capital of South Sudan? And the answer is Juba. And the currency is South Sudanese pound. And the president is Salva Kiir Mayardit. What is the capital of Venezuela? The answer is Caracas. And the currency is Bolivar. And the president is Nicolas Maduro. What is the capital of Eritrea? The answer is Asmara. And the currency is Nakfa. And the president is Isisia Afewerki. What is the capital of Norway? The answer is Oslo. And the currency is Norwegian krone. And the prime minister is Erna Solberg. What is the capital of Sweden? The answer is Stockholm. And the currency is krona. And the prime minister is Stephen Löfven. What is the capital of New Zealand? The answer is Wellington. The currency is New Zealand dollar. And the prime minister is Jacinda Ardern. What is the capital of Moldova? The answer is Chisinau. And the currency is Moldovan leu. And the president is Maya Sandu. She is the first woman president. What is the capital of Luxembourg? And the capital is Luxembourg. And the currency is euro. And the prime minister is Xavier Bettel. What is the capital of Peru? And the answer is Lima. And the currency is sol. And the prime minister is Violeta Bermudez. And the president is Francisco Sagasti. What is the capital of Djibouti? And the capital is Djibouti. And the currency is Djiboutian franc. And the president is Ismail Omar Guelleh. What is the capital of Bahrain? And the answer is Manama. And the currency is dinar. And the prime minister is Salman bin Hamad Al Khalifa. What is the capital of Vietnam? And the answer is Hanoi. And the currency is dong. Next. What is the capital of Belgium? And the answer is Brussels. The currency is euro. And the prime minister is Alexander De Croo. What is the capital of Argentina? And the answer is Buenos Aires. And the currency is peso. And the president is Alberto Fernandez. What is the capital of Syria? The answer is Damascus. And the currency is Syrian pound. And the prime minister is Imad Khamis. president is Bashar al-Assad. What is the capital of Kuwait? The answer is Kuwait City, and the currency is Kuwaiti dinar, and the prime minister is Sabah Khalid al-Sabah. What is the capital of Laos? And the answer is Vietnamese, and the currency is Lao Kip, and the president is Bon Hang Warachit. What is the capital of Iraq? The answer is Baghdad, and the currency is dinar, and the prime minister is Mustafa al-Hadhimi, and the president is Barham Salih. What is the capital of Nigeria? The answer is Abuja. The currency is Naira, and the president is Muhammad Buhari. What is the capital of Canada? The answer is Ottawa. The currency is Canadian dollar, and the prime minister is Justin Trudeau. What is the capital of Germany? The answer is Berlin. The currency is euro. The chancellor is Angelina Merkel, and the president is Frank Walter Steinmeier. What is the capital of Estonia? It has two capitals. One is Lobamba and one is Mbambeni. The currency is Swaziland, and the prime minister is Themba N Masuku, and the king is Maswati III. What is the capital of Morocco? The answer is Rabat. The currency is Moroccan dirham, and the prime minister is Sadidine Othmani, and the king is Mohammed VI. What is the capital of Central African Republic? The answer is Bangui, and the currency is Central African franc. President is Faustin Archange Touadera. What is the capital of Suriname? The answer is Paramaribo. The currency is Suriname dollar, and the president is Chan Santoki. What is the capital of United Arab Emirates? The answer is Abu Dhabi. The currency is United Arab Emirates dirham, and the president is Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. What is the capital of Indonesia? The answer is Jakarta. The currency is rupiah. The president is Joko Widodo. What is the capital of Mongolia? The answer is Ulaanbaatar. The currency is Mongolian Togrog, and the president is Khal Magin Batulga. What is the capital of Spain? The answer is Madrid, and the currency is euro, and the prime minister is Pedro Sanchez. What is the capital of Georgia? And the answer is Tbilisi. Currency is Georgian Airi. President is Salome Jouri-Bichivili. What is the capital of Ethiopia? The answer is Addis Ababa. The currency is Ethiopian birr, and the prime minister is Abiy Ahmed, and the president is Saheli Work Jedwadi. What is the capital of Portugal? And the answer is Lisbon. The currency is euro, and the president is Marcelino Rebelo de Sousa. So if you like our videos, please subscribe to Concepts Up. Thank you all.